Okay, guys, we will be playing Bird Buddy Co-op with Marshall. Say hi, Marshall. Say hi, Marshall.
I can't get in there.
Wait, what? Oh, I'm in here.
I'm in there.
Oh.
Listen, I also can't buy.
What?
I also can't buy a bird.
Okay, this is my first time playing this game. So like chicken nut. I can't get in.
How about here? I can't press the button.
Thank you. I guess the bird can fly. Can you pick me up?
No, I
Oh,
can't.
That would be cool. I didn't know that would happen. I don't know what I thought.
Mason.
No, those are Robux.
Here we are. End of the text.
I will not toss you in.
Fly!
You went the wrong way.
Okay. Press the blue button.
Mason, come up. It's a ladder. I can go in there.
Cyan.
Mason,
Yellow.
there's glass.
Yellow. Pink. Haha. What? What happened? Okay, guys, I'm starting to get a better understanding of this game. So I guess the bird can fly.
What?
Wait, move. Wait a second. Marshall is.
Oh, I just read.
Oh, you want? Get out of here, Joe.
That's not.
Get out of here, Joe.
I'd rather just have a real friend. Real friend? How's that gonna get you anywhere? What you need are fans. They give you complete.
Mason, I dare.
Let me get in there.
I blame myself. I blame you too. I just wanted to be supportive.
What?
You can get on top of here.
Rescue.
Oh yeah, we could probably. Wait, Marshall, look. Look, right here. There's an opening right here. Ah, wait, what? They're not? What?
Oh.
Ah, man. have been so cool. Ah.
It's what?
No, I don't want to play with you. I want to play with Marshall. I can't go in. Let's go in this one.
I can't.
I can't. Come on, Marissa. Hey! Badoo. Karim.
Mason. Mason. See my wife.
I'm going here. Oh,
Am I going here?
Cyan, Cayenne,
I can't.
Cayenne. You Cayenne. Do yayo, yayo. Papa.
Hey, jailbreak. Mind if we join you? Yes. Exactly. You never said someone's being ironic or sincere.
I sincerely, unironically want you to go away.
So interesting. My friend Jean here has a little problem. Well, she's supposed to be a man.
This is right. What's out the ice?
How are you doing that?
Look, it's just something I can do. Can you help us?
This is white ice.
Hey! Ah! Gee. Meow.
I don't know. Yellow button.
Blue.
I don't see blue button. But where? I don't know where's the blue.
Okay, you did it.
Listen, let's go switch.
Chicken nugget. I want to be the buddy. Buddy.
Mason, go in there.
Look at that drip. Oh! Sheesh.
down a sugar addiction, and it's a very serious.
Fingerhead, we have to get Gene out of the game. Without blowing him up. I don't want to blow up. We have to match up the candy so that Gene will drop to the bottom. And we can't match him with any yellows.
I can climb a ladder.
Hey, Allie, I was just wondering if you are
No, not there. There's the button. Please press a yellow button. Mason. Go down arrow. Sheesh.
Well, there's one option left. We line you up with the yellows.
Yeah.
Special candies get transported to that jar. The game might think you're a special candy.
What? How'd you die?
I did it. Mason, you could be a birdie or a human.
just do it.
Betty, Betty, Betty.
Ow.
Okay, guys, this will be our last round of this game. Sorry. Okay. Bye.
I wanna play
Marshall, say bye.